To kick off this video, here's a demo of a seamless HD video projection. A media converter is sending video and audio from HDMI to Cat6 to HDMI at the TV. Here's an example of a touch panel controlled conference phone. Say goodbye to bulky conference room phones. Ceiling speakers and table microphones controlled through this screen is the new phone. This touch panel can also control this HD web camera to project your boardroom meetings to anywhere in the world, completely under the control of this touch panel. If you take a look below this TV, you'll see a Logitech Rally Kit quick install for smaller conference rooms. This system is quick and easy to install, allowing team meetings and internet teleconferencing controlled by this remote. Open air presentations, no more wires and mic stands. This system allows a presenter to walk through the office and present without standing at attention. This is the same open air presentation wireless microphone setup. This is just a hands-free wireless microphone. Here's a quick demo of the touch panel controlled table microphones. Control the audio being heard from your touch panel. The sound being heard on the other end is at your fingertips. When the light turns red, it's in mute. When it's green, people can hear what's going on. This can also be controlled by individuals in the conference room by a click of a button.